Well, it can still pay.
Let's hope so. No shot, bro. Okay.
Okay. Come on. Two more now.
Last two.
Nice.
Come on,
Pushing
bitch.
is still a $500,000.
Yes.
Yes? Ooh, land it. Land
Please,
it.
just
So
land
good.
it. Just land it. We're happy. No.
Okay. The last reel, baby. Come on now.
Just give us helmets at least. Okay, we'll take that.
Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad.
We'll still take it. We'll still take it.
And then that's real.
Give us the
Okay.
Pharaoh.
Oh,
on.
please, Pharaoh.
Come on, last spin. Show some love, baby. Pharaoh, helmet.
Okay, we'll take it.
Okay.
43k. Not bad.
Just a little juice.
It's like a really good multi. It's just the bet. Like that's you know it's good, but it's just so frustrating.
Slow down and get us in. Oh, that's oh wow.
Oh, wow. That's real juice.
Ooh,
Woohoo!
that was a juicer, bro. Yes, that's
Oh,
big.
Shit.
That's big.
Oh, shit.
This is where it starts.
Now give him another one with a 4x on it.
Joe,
Not bad.
you're up.
We're gonna go far left on this one.
Good.
Yeah.
Easy.
Oh, shit.
Good shit, baby. All right, early upgrades. Come on now. Early upgrades.
Okay, we'll take it.
Okay.
1k, 1 coin a day. One.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Good.
Drop it early. Don't fuck around. Just drop it right now. Don't fuck around. Come on.
Good.
Yes.
Awesome.
All right, Prod, you're up.
All right. You want a gold card?
Yep.
All right.
Shit.
Second. No hesitation. But.
We'll take it.
Uh,
Ibby, you're up.
Okay.
Ibby. All right, Prodigy, you're back up.
What about Axia?
Yeah, I'm muted.
All right,
my bad.
Axion, go ahead. Oh,
Oh.
Ibby, go ahead.
Yeah, my bad, bro. I didn't know I was muted. Far right. I'm talking to myself here.
Oh, cool. 5.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
nice.
shit.
Good
Good
shit.
shit, Ibby.
Good
All right,
thing I
baby, it's
realized,
time.
but-
Yo, an upgrade now. It's done.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh. Come on. Upgrade,
Oh.
baby. Upgrade.
Okay,
Yeah.
You can do it, baby. Come on.
Good.
Nice,
Yeah?
dude.
Come on. 3 more. 3 more. Save the spins too. Come on.
Oh, that's a
That's a
juicer.
good hit.
It's a nice
That's a good
hit.
Oh,
It's best
shit.
symbol, yeah.
Nice.
That's a good fucking hit.
We want coins. still.
Nice.
Nice. One more. One more. Come on.
One more, baby. Come on, you can do it.
Come on. Do it. Come on.
Coin,
fuck
coin,
it.
Yes.
coin.
Yes,
Good,
dude.
perfect, dude.
Yes.
All the way though, coins.
All the way, all the way. That was the next. Again.
Oh,
If you can get that real 2 now. Oh shit. Oh
This one-
shit.
This is gonna be a big one right here.
all right. My turn.
Real
Axion, go
2.
ahead.
Right all the way.
Come on.
Ooh!
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
dude.
That's
Good fucking
massive.
cake,
Holy
baby. Hell
shit.
yeah.
And my turn now.
Was it
Come
4
on.
spins?
5.
I'll take it.
Okay.
That's fine. That's fine.
That's not bad.
6
bro.
spins.
6 spins for this setup is massive
Yeah.
though.
That's it, dude.
Ew, 1,000 X coin now? It's done.
Yeah, anything. at the-
Oh,
Oh my
Any coins, yeah.
god, those would have been massive.
some
Coin,
coins,
coin,
bitch.
coin.
Oh,
Oh.
fuck.
All the way?
Come on.
All the way? Come
Come on,
on.
dude.
Oh!
Oh,
wait,
wait,
that's
wait.
This is good.
Oh,
Wait,
fuck.
That's
wait.
Way to tick, dude.
This is
Oh,
really
wait.
good.
God.
Way to tick, dude.
Wait a
2
second.
more.
We still got some
my
legs
God.
here, baby.
2 more.
2 more, bitch. Come on.
Oh,
Okay.
damn it.
Connect all the way.
Fuck.
Okay.
Still take it.
That's still a good hit.
This
yeah.
is a
It would be so
juicer.
fucking big. Like one more upgrade here.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on,
You get a
baby.
gold card.
Just 2 fucking coins, dude.
So big. Come on, 2 more coins.
Somehow.
Just do it. No.
Why does the spin look so weird? Is it just me?
Yeah.
know.
Spin. Come on, give us 2.
Come on, 2 here.
No.
You still do it?
Oh.
Uh,
Still
That's a
huge.
good fucking
140.
bonus
Yep.
though.
It's a juicer.
Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that if you create an account on Stake and you type the code where you see on your screen Casino Boy, you'll instantly enable cashback. What that means is that whether you win or you lose, you'll make money back on every single bet that you make. Now, if you've already created an account in the past 24 hours, you can just come here, as you see on your screen, and input the code. It will work the exact same way. Now, with that out of the way, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Let's
I
hit
saved
it.
it for Hunt.
Oh, Mr.
Somehow
Museum.
clutch up, bitch. Just clutch up, we're happy. Yes.
Oh, we
Okay,
missed
okay.
Mr. Museum.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Please don't flop now. Keep it up.
Come on.
Seen one
Give us
Two
final
more.
4. Give us 4 right now. Ah.
green.
Give us 4 right now, please. Yes.
Yes?
Oh, beautiful.
Okay,
Love
now
it.
give us shields.
Come on.
Give us
Give us
5.
that
Give us
one,
5 right now.
Come on, please. 5. Oh,
Fine.
man.
Give us
Shield
shields.
right
At least. Fuck.
It was 5 at least.
Give
right
us
here.
something, man.
Helmet. Helmet. Come on.
Yes!
Yes.
Oh,
that's good,
shit,
that's good.
yes.
Fucking
That's
huge,
big,
baby.
man. Thank God.
Holy fuck.
Oh,
it's a
finally,
repeat.
bro.
Yes.
Finally.
And 2
It's
Yes.
the prod
yes.
luck.
It was 5.
Okay,
Finally,
take it.
bro.
Beautiful.
Oh shit, dude.
Finally, man. Give us 5 now
good
and don't
one.
end it.
Come on.
Give us another good one.
Who's Dusa?
Take it, bro.
Woo!
Fuck. We needed that.
I was fucking well needed, man.
Jesus
God
Christ.
damn.
Yes, it was. Come on, surfing.
We believe.
Yes, we do. Give us something here, buddy. None of this shit. Land yourself. Land yourself.
God, these are such good
Land it,
deals for
baby.
too.
It's so good if it just lands. Just please land once. I just need you to land one time for me.
What the fuck?
Yes, thank you. Now please give me the juice. Reel 1 at least. Yes, and reel 5. Yes, good.
Yes.
Land again and we're good to go. Yes. Now reel 2. Just reel 2 and we're good. Reel 2, please. Yes, that's huge.
Yes, that's
Holy
big.
shit.
Oh my god.
Big. Boom.
Holy shit.
Damn.
That's why I fuck with surfing, baby. That's that surfing Yeti, baby. That's what we needed. Be the one, bitch. Please be the one. Yes. Okay. Come on, bitch. None of this shit.
Pull together.
Okay. Give us 4 right here, please. Please give us 4. Yes.
Good.
Please do something here.
Just one fucking full
Give us
screen,
5. Just give us one fucking juicer, please. Give us 5. Please give us the
Do
fucking shield. Yes!
Oh wow, nice.
Fuck, I needed that, man.
man. Good shit, dude.
That's 3 full lines.
Yes. Fuck yes!
Nice, baby.
Yes.
God, we needed that, bro.
Good save.
Please.
Oh.
Wait, that connects, doesn't it?
That's big.
Oh, shit.
More now? Give us another big one. Come on, bro. Something big. Connect.
Please.
Retrig right here. Oh my god, that would have been massive.
Bro, come on, V-Trig.
Give us something here.
Last
Oh,
one
that's big.
hit.
That's big.
Shit, that's big. That's
That's
big. That's big.
big.
That's big. Holy shit.
Holy shit, we needed that.
That was a low symbol, too.
Yes, baby.
Let's go.
Yes, baby. Yes.
Yeah.
That's how we do it.
About fucking
Fuck
time.
my
Holy shit.
fucking